Okay, hi. Hello. Let me check if voice is clear. Hello, hello. I think the voice is clear. Just a second. Okay, I think we are good to go. Okay, so let's start. Just a second. Let me just confirm it. So sometimes it's cracking in between. Okay, we are good to go. Okay. So today, first of all, we will solve our first daily problem and then we will move to practicing the DP. Okay. So today we have got this easy problem. Just a second. Okay, so let's go for today's problem. So we have got the problem on the screen, and it's just a second. So yeah, so we have got the problem, and it states. Okay, let's read the problem first. So shortest distance for target string, shortest distance to a target string in a circular array. Okay, you are given 0 indexed circular string array words and a string target. Okay, circular string array named words and a string target. A circular array means that array's end connects to array's beginning. Okay, formally the next element of words I is words I plus 1 modulo n. Yeah, got it. And the previous element will be words I minus 1 plus n modulo n. Okay, where n is the length of the words. Okay, n is the length of the string. So starting from the start index, you can move either to next word or previous word with one step at a time. Return the shortest distance needed to reach the string target. If the string target does not exist in words, return -1. Okay, so we have got. So let's take the first example. Words equals to hello, I, I am leetcode. And hello, I am leetcode. And one more hello. So we have got the target. Target is hello and start index. Start index equals to 1. So like let it be 0 indexed, it is 1 indexed, it is 2 indexed, it is 3 indexed, it is 4 indexed. Okay, so we have got the starting index b uh, 1 and we have to, and the target is hello. So what we can do is, like what we have to find, we have to find the minimum distance to reach the target. So minimum distance to reach the target, that is 1. Yes. So how can we solve it? We can do one thing. Mm, like we are standing at the starting index and we can move in both directions because we are given the, like if we move forward we will use this index plus like I plus 1 modulo n, and if we move leftwards we will be I minus 1 plus n modulo n. This will be the thing. So we can move in the both direction. And for example, like if I'm moving in the one direction, like I move here, I checked, is it equals to target? No. Then I like, let me just, distance is equal to something. Distance is equal to m, and min distance, min distance, what will be the minimum distance? Minimum distance can be n plus 1, that is 5. Okay. So current distance is 0, and I am moving in the right direction. Uh, I'm moving here. Let's traverse it. So is it equal to target? Nope. Then I increase the distance and move further. Nope. Then I got 3, and then I will get its like minimum. When I find the target, I will check the minimum, right? So when I will compare with the minimum, so the minimum distance will be, now it will be 3, and when I will move here it will be 4, and it will be 4, right? But minimum will be 3. So when I will again come to this, my loop will terminate. So if I'm moving in one direction, then let's consider it as a circular thing. So where we were. So if we are moving in the one direction, when we find one distance, and when after surpassing that target, if I found the target with the like greater distance, I should know that that second, no, I have one confusion. Suppose I'm starting at this index, and this is a circular area, okay? So one target is located here and one target is located here. Now I got the algorithm. I should move in the both direction. And as soon as I find the uh, any target, I will return that distance, because I will be moving one step here, one step here, then again one step here, one step here, and the like the first encounter will be the minimum distance because it's a circular array. And if I cross, like what? And if I reach to the similar position like where I started, then I found nothing, and that will be the case where I have written -1. So I think I have got this intuition. So what I need to do is for uh, int left, like what I will take it. Left will be same, right will be same. Int left is equal to start index, comma right is equal to start index. No, start index minus, sorry, start index plus 1 modulo. Okay, int 10 is equal to WORDS dot size, and how I will start this loop. Think about it. Like how I will initialize this thing. I just need to figure it out. Mm, I know. Uh, this is a pretty easy question, but taking some time. No problem. It's just the learning phase. So while driving, so I am standing right here, and these are my points. So like how I will initialize. First, I will increase the distance. Now, yes. First of all, I will increase the distance. So there is no need to do anything. It will be just start index. That's it. While so if I am making it while left not equals to right. otherwise this loop will not enter. Start start index minus 1 plus n modulo n start index plus 1 modulo n, right? So now what I need to do, int distance is equal to what? I need to int distance is equal to 0 comma min distance. Mm, okay, I think there was just a network snapping. So here is the coding part. What I can do, first of all, I will do distance plus plus, then if words of left equals to target, or words of right equals to target, uh, min distance is equal to minimum of distance comma min distance. Uh, so there is no need of min distance, I guess, here, because what they are doing is return distance. So otherwise, left is equal to left minus n modulo n, right, and right is equal to right plus 1 modulo n, while left is not equals to right, return minus 1. So this is the thing. So let me just dry run this solution first here only. So I'm standing here, L is equal to R is equal to 2. So is it equals to right? Yes, so it will return distance plus plus. So distance will be this. So I think this first test case is running fine. Okay, all these test cases are running fine. Let me just check this test case more. A, then B, then leetcode 012. Target is code, and this is the starting index. So left will be 2, right will be 1. So it should return 1, right? And it's returning 1 actually. I hope it's working. Solution is working fine. Oh. Here I have just missed something or what? Okay. In one test case it will fail. Like words is equal to like A, B, C, D, E, D, F, G, H. Uh, Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Why it's failing? I'm not getting this. So starting indexes 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is there. Okay, I think it's the edge test case. If words of start index equals to target return 0. Is it the case? This test case was just missing. That's so no. Like where I'm getting this problem wrong. I am starting and moving in the both direction one step at a time. In any case, left will become right. Wait, wait. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think my while loop terminating condition is causing this problem. Wait, let's just H5. Let target is equal to M and the starting index is 2. Let's see. First of all, I came here, then I came here, then I came here, then I moved here and moved here, then I moved here, then I moved here. So what will be is when left will be always smaller, right will always be smaller. While left is less than right. Uh, What will be the terminating condition? So I started here, and when I started, left was less than right. But maybe if I was here, then left will be greater than right. And the moment right becomes greater than left. There is some issue in the while loop. When I am starting at the starting zero, then what will be there? What will be this thing? Uh, Starting index minus 1 plus n, है ना? Modulo n. Okay. 0 minus 1 plus 9 modulo 9. So 8 modulo 9. 0, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 minus 1 plus 9, that will be 8. 8 modulo 9. But it will give 8. So 8 will be there, and 8 will be greater than, like left will be greater than right. Then right will increase, left will decrease in this case. Mhm. And in that case, right will be greater. In this case, left will be greater. So in both the cases, I have just overcomplicated the. I have just overcomplicated this logic, and it would have been solved easily. Here we are given the problem requires finding the shortest distance to reach the target string target. Where we traverse the array words and check indices I such that words I equals to target. For such index, the shortest distance from start index to I is minimum of I minus start index and n minus distance equal to absolute of I minus start index. It was just a simple thing. I was starting here. I need to start from here 0. Is it equal to target? Yes. Then what I need? absolute of I minus start index. I minus start index. But I will just come back to my, just copy this and let's go. And then is equal to words dot size. Sometimes we are overcomplicating the things, but the things are quite simple. Int distance is equal to n, and for int I is equal to 0, I less than n I plus plus. Right? Mm, if what happened? Something has happened, I think. If words of I equals to target, if int is equal to words dot size and this is equal to n for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. What the heck is it? Why the brackets are not auto closing? Equal to words dot size final. And this is equal to n for int index is equal to 0, index less than n, index plus plus. If words of index equals to target, so distance is equal to minimum of distance comma absolute index minus star index. हाँ दोनों लोग हैं. Return distance is less than n. If distance is less than n, return distance, else. So is it? Am I doing right? Background is still loading. I hope it's fine. Okay. I just missed something. Here it will be start index distance, comma, and minus distance, right? Okay, it's index. Now, giving some what's the issue here? Words index is target. I need to see this thing. So here n is words dot size and distance equals to n. Okay, and for index equals to 0, index less than x++, that's also fine. And if word index equals to target, then int a is equal to absolute of index minus start index. Okay, it's also fine. Then distance is equal to minimum of distance, comma, minimum of distance, comma, minimum of distance. Okay, but I need to think. Index minus start index. Okay, otherwise minimum of distance, comma, minimum a minus a. From the last. Okay. So what we are doing actually, uh, words equals to a comma b comma leetcode. So we are given 0, 1, 2, and target is equal to leetcode, and index is equal to 0. So we are starting here. So we're starting here. Is it equal? No. So is it equal? No. Is it equal? Yes. So what we are taking it as like in intermediate distance intermediate, like let's take it as d1. So this d1 is the distance moving towards the right. So d1 will be what? Um, Index minus start, right? So index will be 2 minus 0. That gives me 2. And what is d2? So d2 will be what? Okay, so what we were doing, so we have got this d1 here, and what we can get the d2. So d1 we have got, then our final answer will be minimum of either d1 comma minimum of final of, sorry, this will be answer, it will be d1 minus n minus d1. So minimum of sir is answer was initialized to n comma d1 will give me 0, so it will give me 0. Yeah, this is the concept which I got now. Just a second, then we'll start with the DP. Okay, so now let's start that DP practice. So we have got, so what is there in DP practice? So let's start from the first, that Fibonacci numbers. Okay, so first of all, let me just solve that first basic problem of the first basic problem, that is Fibonacci number. Then I will move to, other problems. Fibonacci. So here we go. It's an easy problem, that is Fibonacci. So the Fibonacci numbers start from 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and go on. And the recursive formula for Fn is equal to Fn minus 1 plus F of n minus 2. So this is the recursive formula for the Fibonacci sequence. If n equals to 0, will it, what is the constraint for the n? Okay, if n equals to 0 or equals to 1, or what I can check is if n is less than 2, return, right? Otherwise, return fi fib of minus 1 plus fib of n minus 2. This is the simple recursive solution. So this is done. Okay, so this will be accepted, and I should construct the recursion tree for this. Like suppose I am constructing the fib of 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fib of 6 will be 8. So fib of 6, it will call for fib of 5, and fib of, it will fib of 4. Then fib of 5 will call fib of 4, and this will be then fib of 3. Then fib of 4. Hello SGW, what's up? How are you? Uh, seeing you after a long time in my stream. How are you doing? So fib of 4 will call, sorry, fib of 4 will call fib of 3, and fib of 2, and fib of 3 will call fib of 2 and fib of 1, and this will call fib of 1 and fib of 0. Right? Draining is a good way for learning. I love this method. Even if you achieve one good record, and it's great, bro. Good as always. Nice. So, what do you do? Like, I don't know. I have asked you before or not. Like, are you a student? Like, obviously, you are a student. Uh, Kindly tell your college and the year, like first year, second year. Like, in which year you are studying. So, yep, here I can see many repeating problems. The fib one is called here. It's also called here. Fib 2 is called here, and fib 2 is also called here. So I am getting the repetitive problems. So the basic idea for the dynamic programming is that uh, storing the results once computed and using them whenever they are needed. So this will return 1, this will return 0. So fib of 2 will get 1. So then fib of 2 will return 1, and fib of 1 will also return 1. So fib of 3 will become 2, right? Yes. Then fib of 3 will return 2. I'm a developer and cybersecurity professional with 9 years in programming and 6 years in cybersecurity. But I am a high schooler. You can search me on the web. Damn, buddy, damn. Bro, how I can search you? Like, give me some credentials. Like, I wanna search you, bro. You are insane. You're crazy. So, fib 2 will return 1 as stored somewhere. So, fib 4 will give 3, and it will return 3, and then fib 3 we have calculated somewhere. So, fib 5 will be 5, and it will give 5, and fib 4, what was fib 4 was 3. So, fib 6 will return 8, and that's the final answer. SG bro, you didn't give me your credentials. Like, give me, I wanna search you, brother. Give me your LinkedIn. Like, what's the name? What's your name in LinkedIn? I'm sure you will be on LinkedIn because you are developer, right? So a DP, we are solving DP. Sorry, Session should look really nice. Let me search, bro. Let me search it for you. Are you this? Are you this, buddy? Cybersecurity and software developer. Are you this, man? I think it's your LinkedIn profile. You've got this portfolio, right? Let's see. Tech and security fusion. This website was built on screen used to be okay. Services, project consultation, coding workshop, cybersecurity audit, and blog posts. Nice, bro. Great. Okay, here is the blog feed. Seasonal professional and developer showcase some software development expertise and cybersecurity skills, with the focus on innovation and quality. Great, buddy. Nice. We have got couple of other results too. Nice, bro. And national rank on. That's great. MP component stable and resource are involved using heterogeneous computing and bit-level state space compression. I got one of my 480 project listed in the portfolio. It is a small one, not bro. Nothing is too good or too bad. The thing is you did well, bro. You are doing well. That's insane, bro. See here what we are I'm building. You guys are building just small projects and you did a lot of things, real world things. It's hats off to you, bro. Black Hawk Network India, something. What is this? Let's see. Thank you. No, no, no. I got the wrong person. Crazy, buddy. Crazy. Okay. Just tell me one thing. Do my voice is proper? Like, is it cracking? Because when I'm checking, it's cracking at my end. Just please confirm me, brother. Brother. I don't know why, but it's cracking right now. Okay, bro, you got the insane portfolio. That's nice. Let's go back to work. So, but I will be solving. First of all, I will solve it with memoization. What are the like memoization will be there? Then we will get tabulation, and then we will have space optimization, right? Just word rank one on cybersecurity in like 13, 15 programming, and the voice is cracking a bit. Okay, I will see today. Just I will say tomorrow. Like I will work on the audio quality. Okay, that's insane, bro. These achievements are like a dream for many professionals. I also dreamed of going for the like hackathons and all these things, but I did not manage to get into those any of the hackathons. And now my third year is about to end, so I just have to study for the placements and get myself placed. You know, and for the placement, I need to be good at DSA and have to around 2 to 3 good projects. So nowadays I'm building projects on ML and grinding this DSA. So optimization is there. Then tabulation we have bottom up and top down, right? We have two types of tabulation. So let's first get the uh, memoization approach. Let's make the private function in Vivo int n if n is less than 2 return n. I'm not 18 plus, so I was not able to join any hackathon, and without age limits, hackathons are far from home. Like I got invited to America like last year, but it's far away up. Yeah, bro. No doubt, bro. I will ask you. I think you can help. Yep. I think not you. You can definitely help. Thank you, bro. I will. If memo of n not equals to -1, return memo of n, right? Otherwise, return memo of n equals to fibo of n minus 1 fibo of n minus 2. Just for dark web contest till now, with 4 songs made on me and many more. So that's of man. I want to see you, brother. Curiosity is getting on its peak. Factor and top memo vector int of memo and with nice. What okay, let's see. Till end of April. After April, what you are planning? What are your plans after April, buddy? Okay, so some figure of n comma movement, right? Will it work fine? Vector of percentage, right? So I forgot this thing. So here I need to pass the array. Okay, this memoization is complete. Okay, this memoization is complete. Oh, I need to go. Uh, I got some urgent work, so I will meet you tomorrow. Thanks for coming, brother. We'll meet tomorrow. But for now, I need. Okay, after that, I will go back to Dindori as my father got a job transfer. They are like 10 years ago. My hometown is Jabalpur, so it's holidays for me, and here till then, I don't have my laptop. Okay, got it. So actually, for now, yeah, I got it. Nice. I'll think about it. Yeah, bye bye. So good night and bye bye. Take care. Insane, buddy. You're insane.